Hi, my name's Kirsty from Naio Nails. In this video, we are going to use the dual forms, but we're going to use it with a tip because I had this little idea and I want to try it out on camera. So we've done a dual form application before, but I felt like it wasn't quite as neat as I liked it underneath. We had to drill it out and all that. And I thought, well, I wonder if you can do it on top of a tip. So you put a tip on and then use the dual form. If you're not following me, keep watching. I'll show you how. Can I just say, this is a test. We have no idea if this is actually going to work. Like I would say we, so I don't take full responsibility for it not working. So, dehydrate. Obviously, I've already applied the tip. I've already prepped the nail. I'm just going to put the primer on now. So, in theory, in my head, what we're going to do is pop this over the tip. We're using high-speed liquid. We're going to use warm beige. Oh, I'm like really nervous. Is it going to work? Is it going to work? Is it going to work? Big bead. Start at the tip. Work my way down. Feel like I need a little bit more. Not quite filling the dual form. You ready, guys? Here we go. Place it at the cuticle. Start to press. Hold it in place. Scoop off any excess with the brush. I'm cool with that. I'm fine with that. Just holding it in place. Hoping for the best. Oh, the suspense. The suspense is killing me. Is it going to work? Is it going to work? I can feel it getting warm. Which is the point where you're going to start to think about taking off the dual form. So start to squeeze and you'll see it starts to come away. Oh my God. Oh my God. It may just have worked. It's crisp underneath. It does need a little filing, yes, it needs a little filing. But that was pretty quick. That was pretty quick. What we're thinking, Are we thinking it's... By Joe, have we got it? By Joe, I think we've got it! I think it's worked, you know? I think if you struggle with acrylic application on a tip, I think we found the future. The future is bright. The future is dual forms. If you just want something quite basic. However, the more I play with them, the more creative stuff we will do. There's one thing I would say is, oh my God, it's worked. I can't believe it. I'm like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
So no filing underneath now?
No filing underneath at all. That is just perfect. Look at that. You haven't got to file it underneath because the tip was there. So it's perfect there. You know, it's not far from perfect there. All I'm going to do is buff over it. I think I've just solved everybody's problems. What do you think? I'm well impressed. I'm well impressed, I am. Oh yes, I am impressed. Boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka. So there we are, that is, I'm going to wipe over with acetone now like I normally do. But I think that is pretty damn cool that you can, you know, just do it just like that. It's that easy. Like, I didn't actually expect it to be that easy. Yes, there was a bit of seepage, a bit of spillage going on, but as long as you just clean that up, I think it works fine. The one thing I did notice is you can't have them too long, but that is a nice length anyway. I like it. I'm impressed. Are you? What I'm going to do now is apply the Urban Graffiti top coat. So it's all sealed. Or you could put your gel polish on, you could put a design on, do whatever you want, put crystals on. But just for now, just because this is a bit of a hack, I'm just going to put the top coat on, pop that in the lamp. I'm going to finish with a little bit of cuticle oil that I really desperately need because my hands are so dry. Rub that in. Take off the excess. And there we are. I'm like, I keep looking at it in shock. I can't actually believe it's worked. Oh my God! Sorry, I keep deafening you. There we are, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's helped you, because it's definitely helped me. And don't forget, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to the channel if you want notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!